Hello, everything is fine. I'm a doctor, and today I want to talk to you about a natural, simple and powerful secret, ginger tea. This drink, which many people only know for its strong flavor, can be a great ally in improving your circulation and also your erection. Yes, you heard that right. Ginger is a true friend of men's health, especially for those in their 40s, 50s or older who want to stay healthy. As the years go by, it is normal for blood circulation to slow down a little, for arteries to harden, and for erections to no longer be what they used to be. But the good news is that there are natural foods that can help change this scenario, and ginger is one of them. Throughout this video, I will explain how ginger tea can improve circulation, protect arteries, increase energy, and even help with sexual health. Stay with me until the end and you will understand everything in a simple and direct way. As a doctor, I always explain that a good erection depends a lot on blood circulation, and that's where ginger comes in as a true ally. It contains a substance called gingerol, which helps relax blood vessels. This facilitates the passage of blood, especially to the extremities of the body, such as the penis. Therefore, those who drink ginger tea regularly tend to notice an improvement in the quality of their erections, as well as more energy in their daily lives. Ginger also helps control blood pressure, preventing arteries from hardening, which harms circulation. So in addition to improving sexual health, it also protects the heart. And look, before continuing with more important information, take advantage and subscribe to the channel. Our goal is to reach 1,000 subscribers, and you can be a part of that right now. Also, leave your like. This really helps YouTube to deliver this content to more people who need these health tips. Ginger tea is also a great natural stimulant for the production of a substance called nitric oxide. You may have never heard of it, but it is essential for your sexual health. Nitric oxide works by relaxing blood vessels and allowing blood to flow more easily, especially to the penile region, facilitating an erection. It is as if the body clears a path for blood to get to where it needs to go at the right time. As we age, the natural production of this substance decreases, which affects the quality of erections. However, ginger helps to reverse this process, stimulating the body to produce more nitric oxide in a natural and safe way. This means stronger, longer-lasting and spontaneous erections without having to rely on medication. Therefore, including ginger tea in your daily routine can make a big difference both for your sexual health and for your general well-being. Another important benefit of ginger tea is its strong anti-inflammatory action. Many people don't know this, but chronic inflammation is one of the main enemies of healthy circulation. When arteries become inflamed, they tend to harden and narrow, making it difficult for blood to pass through. This can lead to high blood pressure, poor circulation, and of course erectile problems. Ginger helps combat these inflammatory processes, protecting the walls of blood vessels and keeping arteries more flexible and clean. This allows blood to circulate better throughout the body, including the genital region, promoting a more efficient and natural erection. Furthermore, by reducing inflammation, ginger also helps prevent more serious diseases such as heart attacks and strokes. Therefore, drinking ginger tea regularly is a simple and effective way to take complete and safe care of your health. One of the most common complaints I hear in my office, especially from men over 40, is a lack of energy, both for daily activities and for sex. And this is where ginger can help a lot. It is a natural stimulant that speeds up metabolism and increases the feeling of vitality. This happens because ginger improves circulation and oxygenation of tissues, making the body more active and resistant to fatigue. Additionally, ginger helps balance hormone levels, contributing to greater libido and sexual desire. When a man feels more willing and energetic, his confidence and sexual performance naturally improve. Therefore, drinking 1 or 2 cups of ginger tea a day can be a great habit for those who want to feel more alive, productive, and, of course, more willing to enjoy the good moments in life. Excess cholesterol is one of the biggest enemies of blood circulation. It causes the accumulation of fatty plaques in the arteries, hindering blood flow, and increasing the risk of heart attack, stroke, and, of course, impairing the quality of erections. Ginger, fortunately, is a natural food that helps control cholesterol, especially LDL, known as bad cholesterol. In addition to reducing LDL, ginger also helps increase HDL, which is the good cholesterol. This balance is essential for keeping the arteries clean and flexible, allowing blood to reach the penile region easily. When circulation improves, erections also become stronger and longer lasting. Therefore, including ginger tea in your routine is a simple and efficient way to protect your heart, improve vascular health, and consequently, take care of your sex life in a natural and safe way. As the years go by, the body goes through a natural aging process, and this directly affects the health of the arteries. They can lose elasticity, become more rigid, and hinder blood circulation. This process compromises not only cardiovascular health but also the quality of erections. Ginger tea is a strong ally in this regard, as it is rich in antioxidants, substances that fight free radicals, which are responsible for premature aging of cells. By protecting the cells of the vascular system, ginger helps keep blood vessels healthy and flexible, facilitating blood flow to all parts of the body, including the genital region. This benefit is essential for maintaining good sexual function over the years. Therefore, regular consumption of ginger tea is a natural way to delay the effects of aging, preserve heart health, and maintain sexual vitality, even after the age of 50 or 60. Many people ask me, "Doctor, how do I prepare ginger tea the right way to reap all its benefits?" And I always answer, it's simpler than it seems, but it requires some care. Ideally, you should use about 5 centimeters of fresh ginger for every liter of water. First, boil the water. As soon as it starts to boil, turn off the heat and add the ginger cut into thin slices. Let it steep for approximately 10 minutes, covered, so that the active compounds, such as gingerol, are released into the infusion. Avoid boiling ginger with water, as this can destroy some important substances. If you want, you can add a little lemon or honey to improve the flavor, but avoid sweetening it with refined sugar. The ideal is to drink 1 or 2 cups a day, preferably in the morning to give you more energy, or before meals to improve digestion. This way, you ensure all the beneficial effects of the tea safely and effectively. Although ginger tea is an excellent health ally, it is important to remember that it should not be consumed in excess. As a doctor, I always warn, everything in moderation is good, but excess can cause problems. Ginger has an anticoagulant effect, so those who take blood-thinning medication should be careful and talk to their doctor before consuming it. In addition, in some people, ginger can cause heartburn, stomach irritation, or diarrhea, especially if consumed in large quantities. My recommendation is that you drink up to 2 cups a day as part of a healthy routine. And if this tip was useful to you, leave a like here and subscribe to the channel. Our goal is to reach 1,000 subscribers, and with your help we will achieve this very soon. Share this video with anyone you know who needs to improve their circulation and erection health. Together, we can bring more health and well-being to many more people. Finally, I want to emphasize that ginger tea is one of the simplest and most natural ways to take care of your health, especially your circulation and sexual function. It improves blood flow, protects your arteries, stimulates the production of nitric oxide, and also provides more energy and disposition. All this without having to resort to medication, just by adopting a healthy habit in your daily life. Remember, taking care of your health doesn't have to be complicated. Often small actions, such as including a healthy tea in your routine, can make a big difference in your quality of life. If you want more vitality, well-being and good sexual health, consider starting today. I'll stop here. I hope this information has helped you and cleared up your doubts. A big hug, take good care of yourself, and until the next video.